Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. Huawei has unveiled the Huawei Watch Fit Elegant smartwatch, which is based in the Huawei Watch Fit introduced last summer. Users get new colors and materials. The case of the Huawei Watch Fit Elegant is made of polished stainless steel, and customers will also receive a soft flouroelastomer strap. The watch will be available in two colors: frosty white with gold accents, and midnight black with a silver buckle and frame. The strap material is different from the regular silicone included in the basic Huawei Watch Fit package. It is more resistant to heat, moisture, oil and stretching. Users get a more durable strap that is also less likely to cause any allergic reactions. In terms of specifications, the Huawei Watch Fit Elegant features a rectangular 1.64-inch AMOLED display, with a 280 by 456 pixel resolution, and a single button on the side. The watch is powered by Huawei's own Lite operating system, is equipped with a Kirin A1 SoC, and offers 12 days of battery life. Huawei Watch Fit Elegant smartwatches are equipped with a GPS module, a 24-hour heart rate monitoring sensor, sensors for determining the level of oxygen in the blood or SpO2. The watch supports 96 training modes, menstrual cycle tracking, and Huawei True Sleep 2.0 for sleep tracking. The Huawei Watch Fit Elegant will go on sale in the UK on March 26 for £110 or about $150. Of course, with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, subscribe to the channel is definitely awesome, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.